Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me show you how to put together a white raw stone earrings. So this is one I've already put together. So let me show you how to put together the other. And I'm using these two heavy gauge flat nose pliers because this is a heavy gauge O-ring. And I needed some heavy gauge tools to deal with it. So we just do that. And we're going to thread this on through the stone. This is a small 1 inch what do you call these? Ear pin. And we're just going to fold it down, make your jump ring, make your O-ring like that, and we're going to come back in we're going to open this up on the bottom because we are adding to it. We just open it up. And we're going to insert the 12 millimeter ring in there. And we are going to close it back up. With these needle nose pliers. And this is tricky. So I hope you hear me. The air just came on. And we are going to finish off with a basic air wire. We're just adding it into the loop. There you go. This is a basic white stone earring.